know, people are still weirdos and they carry that into their adult lives.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. But if you're an OG, welcome back. Hope you're doing well and staying safe. Today I am filming another girl talk video. I think this is my second one. It's called Wine with Wine. If you see my other video, it was a topic on me discussing why I don't date men with kids, and I really enjoyed making that video. A lot of y'all enjoyed watching it and could relate. I still have people to this day still comment on that video and tell me about their experiences and things like that. So I thought it would be like a good idea for me to bring it back and just talk about some things that need to be said. So if you would like to go grab you some wine, scotch, whatever you drink, if you want to go grab that, then just pause the video. I will be drinking 19 Crimes. I don't think I've tried this one. This is the 2018 red wine. This is what it looks like. Don't you hate when you watch videos and people drinking it but they don't tell you what they drinking, or is that just me? So y'all go get y'all a drink if you're 21. If you're like under 21, drink some juice. A little bit more. Okay, so today's topic, I hope y'all got a snack or something. Yeah, if you're not old enough to drink, then go get your snack, something like that. I don't know. But today's topic, we're going to talk about friendships. Old friends, new friends, fake friends, good friends. So yeah, it's pretty good. What percentage is these? 13.5. That's what I'm talking about. 13.5. I usually go for 11.5 or higher, because if not, then it's juice. Y'all should try this. It's good. So the first topic is let's talk about fake friends. We've all had them. If you ain't had them and you're younger, you're going to come across them. And I feel like that's something that helps you become a better person. I feel like fake friends is what it teaches you how to be a good friend. You have people, well, I've had people who, like, they're only your friends in front of you. They're not friends behind your back. And I just truly don't believe, if you have an issue with another girl, unless they were friends before, if they go be friends behind your back, I don't really like that, because you know how much this person has hurt me. Or, you get what I'm saying? Well, actually, now I take that back. I take that back, because let me tell you why. I have friends who they're a bit more difficult to deal with, so they fall out with people, but I'm still friends with those people that they fell out with. And I don't think that's an issue, as long as you're not as long as the friend is defending you behind your back. You know, I don't think that, you know, real friends should be sitting at a table with people who are bashing you, and then they come back and tell you what they've said about you. I'm like, sis, why were you even at that table? Or like, what did you say? You're telling me behind my back, but I mean, I wasn't there to defend myself, so what did you say? And then it's crickets. So fake friends could also mean like friends who only call you when they need something, who's secretly jealous of you and don't want you to succeed more than themselves. I think that's very, very weird and very shady. Like, all of my friends, I want everybody to eat. I want us all to be successful and be happy. And I know that things like that come at different timings, and everybody's not on the same page. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you put popcorn in a skillet to pop, not all the kernels are going to pop at the same time. And I feel like that's something that people need to realize when, I don't know why I keep looking down here. I think that's something that people need to realize when they're hanging around their friends. Because me, I have friends, like 80% of my friends are pregnant, you know, or in a relationship, or married. And at first I was like, dang, everybody getting married, everybody having kids, but I know that it's not my time yet. I have some more things I need to do. I want to buy me a house, get married first, and then, you know, So yeah, everybody's just on different accord. Good friends. How do you know who's like a good friend, y'all? I feel like I'm a really good friend, but I also feel like I'm one of those people who, my friends tell me this all the time. Friends tell me this all the time. Like all of my friends, I can go months, not okay, I can go weeks without talking to my friends. I do have some friends that I talk to like almost every day, but like even if we're just cool and we're friends, I can go like a month with or months without talking to you, and then when we finally talk, it's like we never like fell off or stopped talking. And I think that's just like the older you get, everybody's doing their own thing, you know. So yeah, is that just me, or do y'all have to? Because I know some people like they talk on the phone to their best friends every single day, and I just, it's not that I don't want to, it's like I literally forget or I don't think to do it, or you know, I just don't. That's not, I mean, does that make us not friends if we don't talk every day? I really like to get, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. I just have to, you know, surround myself with like-minded individuals. And I think that's for friends in general. If you associate yourself with bad people, or a certain group of or type of people, then you'll be associated that way as well, even if you're not like that. And that's just life. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I'm hanging around a bunch of people who shoot up heroin every day, whether I do it or not, people are going to assume that I do it too. If I hang around a bunch of people who, you know what I'm saying, are millionaires or like higher status, I don't want to say higher status, like let's just say I hang around a bunch of people who are millionaires. All of my friends are literally millionaires. People are just going to automatically assume I'm a millionaire too. So it's very important for me to associate myself with people who are like me and we have the same goals. Let's talk about, this video is all over the place, y'all. I just had an idea. I was like, oh, let's do a girl talk. I got some wine. Let's do it. It's going to be fun. And so, feel free to comment down below. I love talking back to y'all in the comments. So, one of the things that I want to talk about is making friends, right? I am 23. I just graduated college this past December, so about 6-7 months ago. And what I will say is, it's very hard making friends. I think it's hard making friends as an adult. Like kids who are in middle school, high school even, it's easier to make friends there. I mean, you know, obviously at school, and if you play sports or if you join clubs or in band or something like that. But once you graduate high school, you're not going to see like 75% of those people ever again. You know, unless y'all are really, really close friends. Like me, I talk to maybe, well, friends, close friends with maybe 4 or 5 people that I graduated with or that I went to school with. And so I don't really think that those friends really necessarily carry over into your adult life. I feel like all of my bridesmaids and things like that will be, not all of them, but most of them will be people from college or people from my adult life. What was I say? What was I going? Oh, making friends. So yeah, in college, if you know, you go to college, you join a sorority, it's like paying for friends, they want to say, because it literally is. You know, you join a sorority and then you have like 50, 60 long sisters, and you know, boom, there's all your friends. But me, I'm not a sorority type of girl. I didn't do that. So it was a little bit harder for me to make friends. I was friends with my roommate, and then, you know, she made friends, so I joined their friend group, and then I joined clubs trying to make friends, so I make friends that way. What are you weirdos doing?
We're gonna get out, but y'all know me. I'm
Don't knock that over.
Timberly.
My name is Kim.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm gonna let y'all get back to what she was saying. But I just want y'all to know that I'm here. I'm here.
Alright, my turn to shine. So y'all, I've been waiting to get this video so long.
You drop your Instagram.
Girl, okay.
My name is brownskin.ren. You know, you can edit it and put it in there, so
Okay.
yeah, follow me please, cause I need more followers.
Okay, _obey the beauty. 2 Y's. Forget. Peace out.
Okay. As I was saying, I feel like it's kids. I feel like it would, even in college, it was hard for me I went out a lot alone. Like I remember going to a couple. I remember going to bars a couple of times by myself. Met a fake friend in college. It's just, and the thing about fake friends, there's no age. Like you can literally be 75 with fake friends. I thought like once you graduated high school, it was gonna be over with. You didn't have to worry about that, but no. People are still weirdos, and they carry that into their adult lives. Besides the point. Some of the things that I've been doing, I want y'all to let me know as well. How to make new friends. I love meeting new friends, meeting new people. Because I love to travel, and I want, you know how you see those Instagram posts with like 10 girls, you know, in Cabo on vacation or something like that. I'll maybe have like 3. So I'm trying to expand my circle because I do want to travel. My goal is to see as much of this land as possible because it's such a beautiful place like God has created, and I just want to see what all there is out there. So that's one of the main reasons why I want to make friends. I downloaded this app called Bumble BFF. I don't know if y'all heard about it. I met one girl and we met up and we had drinks and food a few times. She was pretty cool. We don't talk anymore, but we talked for a few months. And so that app basically lets you meet friend girls within your area, or if you want to do like nationwide, you can meet, you know, anyone, anywhere. I'm not really on there like that though. I'm trying to see like how to, do y'all go, I do have one friend, let me tell you the story. She's gonna be in my video that I'm gonna post later on this week. We went to Texas together. I met her a year ago at Victoria's Secret. Cause let me tell y'all what happened. And this was my first time meeting somebody like this, but we were in Victoria's Secret basically, and they're having a big sale. It was like Black Friday, and she asked me, I was looking for one of the sweaters. They had like the plush sweaters on sale, and so they were completely sold out. And then I was looking around for it, and I think she saw me looking for one, and she was like, "Hey, do you want this?" And I was like, "Yes, girl, thank you, thank you." So I got it, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, you're really pretty. Do you have Instagram?" Is that kind of creepy? Is that like gay? I'm not gay. I'm just like, you know, I don't know. But I was like, "Oh my gosh, you're really pretty. Do you have Instagram?" I'm sure she thought I was a creep, which she probably didn't because we're friends now. Like we're really cool. We go on trips and stuff together now, but. She was like, "Yes, girl, follow me." And then I went on her page and I saw that she liked to travel. She's been to like Morocco, and then she did study abroad for a few months. And so I was like, "Hey girl, I see you like to travel, so I like to travel too, so we should," let me see. I was like, "Hey girl, I see you like to travel, I like to travel too, we should like hang out sometimes, or if you ever plan a trip, just let me know because I'm down." If you go on my channel, you'll see a lot of traveling vlogs. That's my dream, is to become a travel vlogger one day. But yeah, so that's how our friendship started. We've been talking and we've been cool ever since that moment. How else? But I don't really go up to people like that and be like, "Hey, do you have Instagram? Hey, you want to be friends?" Like, what do you do, y'all? We're like, what do we do when we're older? I don't know. That's weird. Like, how do you make friends? I know like some people who move to a completely different state and then they have like 20 friends within like a month or a few months. Like, how do y'all, what do you do? I really want to know in the comments, like, what do you do? Oh yeah, like, how do you, if you're an adult, like, how do you make friends? Like, what do you do? Especially friends who like to do stuff, like to travel, because you know, you have some friends who like want to stay in. Well, there's nothing wrong with it. I need those kind of friends too, who like just like to stay in and watch Netflix. Like, we can do that, order pizza, drink and stuff like that. I do need more friends like that as well. But for the like people who want to travel more, like, where do you meet these people at? What do you do? What do you say? I feel like I'm very awkward. I don't really approach people like that. So that's something, believe it or not. Where is my journal? I don't know what my journal is, but this year I created a intention list, kind of like a New Year's resolution, and my goal was to meet 5 new friends at least, or 5 new good friends, right? Not just anybody. And I've met 2. Let me see. I've met 2 so far, and I think that's pretty good considering we're in quarantine and we can't really go out and like meet people or like go out and socialize like that. So I think 2 is pretty good. But yeah, I guess my advice would be to make as many friends in college as you can if you're younger watching this, because those friends, like, I have, let me see, at least 4 or 5 friends from college that they're like forever friends. for me. But now that I'm out of college, what do I do from here? I don't know. I'm not saying that you can't be friends with people who are different, because I do believe the opposites attract as well. So like if you're a hyper loud friend, I think that it's good to have someone kind of like mellow you out a little bit. So I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is I think there's seasons in your life for different people, and sometimes seasons just expire. Let me know how you feel. Like I said, I thought fake friends were like, you know, so like 2014, 15, or like before that, so like 2010. And it's crazy to me how I experienced it in college still, and even now I have some friends that I'm on the fence about. So, or not friends, I have a friend, one who I'm on the fence about. Like, let's talk about this. I forgot, y'all, which if this is like out of tune, it's because I ended the video, but then I had a thought, so I had to come back. Okay, so let's talk about friends who let's talk about those friends who feel like they need validation from others. You get what I'm saying? I have a few friends. Well, I don't even call them friends. A friend to me, let me explain. And I'm also kind of weird. I don't have a best friend, like a singular best friend, like someone who I just don't have like someone I'm closest to, like a best friend. I don't have a best friend. And I think that's very weird, you know, at my age. I think it's just because usually the person that I'm dating is my best friend. I don't know. I do have close friends. I think I have about 7 close friends. And then I have a few associates, which means like I don't really talk to them. I don't text them at all. But if I see them out and about, then I like speak to them, have a conversation like, hey, you know, how you doing? Okay, see you later, girl. You know, that type of thing. That's an associate to me. I don't call them friends. I just, you know. And so I had this one friend, right? Which we're not no longer friends anymore. But she used to come back like around to a bunch of people and talk so much crap about her best friend. Like literally her best friend. Her closest friend. She used to come back and tell like a group of us her business, and like, oh my gosh, she get on my nerves, I can't stand her. And so I'm like, really, girl, if you're telling us all of this about your best friend, we're not even like close like that, I know that you're talking about me. So I'm gonna ride out. I'm really like a popular loner. Have y'all heard that term? It's like when you know a lot of people and a lot of people know you, but you don't mess with nobody. You always like by yourself. I'm one of those people. Also one of those people who, I don't care how long we've been friends, I don't care how long we have known each other. If I like catch an energy or a vibe from you, I'm gonna match that energy, I'm gonna match that vibe, and I'm going to dip, because I'm just all about good energy and peace and positivity. And so if you're not on that wave, catch you later. I just wanted to come chit chat with y'all, because I really enjoyed my last girl talk. Like I said, if you haven't watched it, it's called Girl Talk Why I Don't Date Men with Kids. Please go check that one out if you haven't seen it already. I just enjoy talking and seeing like different opinions and reading advice and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.